My name is Ijesha and this is OIS News. As a tradition before the commencement of every term, staff members attend professional development courses to continuously keep them abreast with trends within the global education sphere. The training focuses on learning and use of school management software for routine monitoring of students' academic tracking and personalized learning. In addition to the partnership with GL Assessment, which examines the ability of each child and provides best methodology for such a child's learning to maximizing their potential. The school recently partnered with Edverse, one of the largest education portals for K-12 students, teachers, administrators, and parents in Africa, to further digitize learning and admin tasks in improving learning outcome. This education portal is used by most top schools in Nigeria and some other schools around the world. We are excited to welcome our students back to school. It was exciting as parents and staff members reunited after the Christmas break. Parents and students arrived in high spirits after a successful festive break, and the staff were on the ground to welcome them with open arms. They were looking refreshed and full of energy, ready to engage in and tackle all school activities. Students were welcomed into the classes following the school assembly on Monday. Here, the head of school, Mrs. Ndidi Abili, addressed everyone on the need to be focused and goal-oriented. She further charged the students to be the best of themselves at whatever pursuits they wanted to undertake. She concluded her speech with key event systems, which include the 30th anniversary celebration of the school. Team Olashore, who won the drone soccer competition in Lagos on December 9, 2023, were recognized during the school assembly. The school technology coordinator, Mr. Ajayi, applauded them for the spirit of sportsmanship and display of outstanding skills during the game. He further stated that the game was watched by dignitaries including Honorable Commissioners, Ministry of Innovation, Science and Technology Lagos State, Mr. Tuposo Alake, and the U.S. Consul General, Earl Stevens. Olashore team will be representing Nigeria in World Drones competition in Baltimore, Maryland, USA, in May this year. The competition was organized by Global Air Drone Academy, a non-profit organization based in Baltimore, Maryland, USA, with an operational office in Lagos, Nigeria. In line with the school's mission statement to be an international center for the attainment of marketable skills across the sporting and digital industry, students of Olashore National School commenced the digital experience classes on Monday, 15th January 2024. The goal is to equip all students with digital experiences that will prepare them for the future. The program involves all students from years 7 to 12. Olashore recently acquired drones, robotic kits, 3D printers, augmented and virtual reality equipment and software for students' use in the newly constructed Olashore Digital Experience Center. The classes will cover digital skill areas in robotics, drone technology, digital marketing and big data query, photo and video editing, ebook publishing, UI and UX, programming languages such as Scratch, Java, Python, and Swift language. Other courses include Google, Microsoft, Cisco courses leading to certification by global tech partners. Following the unveiling of Olashore International School as a site for Ijesha Digital Innovation Hub, July 2023, by the Ijesha Global Alliance for Development, the hub was officially opened on January 3, 2024 to train candidates on cybersecurity, machine learning, and UI/UX. Year 12 students received their Cambridge IGCSE results from the October-November exam session, and we were delighted to see once again our students have performed well. For the third successive occasion, over 60% of all grades were A stars to B, and the overall pass rate A to C was 87%. Mathematics again performed well with a 96% pass rate, alongside 100% in accounting, design and technology, geography, and ICT. Congratulations to all the students on their magnificent achievements. This is to inform prospective parents and guardians that the online entrance examination for admission for the 2024-2025 academic session is still in progress. To learn more about the entrance examination and book your session, please contact the admission office on 080 3992 or send an email to info@olashoreschool.com. For more information, this is a reminder that COVID-19 is still very much around us. Protect yourself by keeping your social distance. Wear a face mask and wash your hands with soap and water regularly. Keep exercising daily and eat a well balanced diet. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.